Hey everybody, it's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to give you a quick take here on TTWo software. This is ticker TTWO. TTWO is in an uptrend and above all the key moving averages. They've had, for the most part, pretty positive earnings the last couple of years. Green, 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 one red box, green, and earnings coming up, but not till the early November by the looks of it. So this is a chart that I think we should definitely keep an eye on, especially on a day where we had SPY pull back to the ADMA, we had the Qs pull back to the ADMA, and we had TTWo Interactive push off the 8-day exponential and show us some relative strength. So I have an alert on TTWO at 261.50, and I think we should look for a move through 261.50 on TTWo coming on volume. That could definitely show us a resumption of this uptrend and, again, some resilience in a market where we are getting some selling into strength. So that's just one of many stocks we're watching tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that's helpful, and I'll see you next time.